Today I get to teach you a new note. So let's review bounce high, bounce low on our bodies and in the air. Here we go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Now in the air and here we go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. And the past couple weeks, we've been working on it, and we have just sung it like this. Loo, 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 loo. And we discovered that the highest note is on the second beat. Loo, hi, loo, loo. And we also decided the last two beats were so and me. So we sang it. Loo, hi, so, me. Make sure when you sing so, you have your hand sign like this. And me, your hand sign is down. So and me. So now, when we have that high note, you also decided that it lived a step above. So high, so me. And when we have a note in music that lives a step above, so, drum roll, we call it la. And our hand sign are a little curved, so la, just like that. So, la, so, me. And here's what it looks like. La, ah. And then here's the hand sign. And I'm going to stick it right next to it. So now we have so, la, so, me. So, la, so, me. And if I were to do it with my hand signs, bounce high, bounce low. Ready, good luck. So, la, so, me. So, la, so, me. Get ready, because I have a bunch of songs that have laws in them, and I'm going to try and trick you. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 songs on my list that have a law in it that you already know. So I'm going to sing the song, and then I'm going to do phrase by phrase, showing the hand signs, and you have to echo back the so's and the la's and the me's. Are you ready? Let me make sure I know. Okay. Do you remember? Bell horses, what's the time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to run and play. So watch. You sing after me. Bell horses, and you'll sing so, me, so, me. Watch this. What's the time of day? Your turn. So, so. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Ready? So, time to run and play. Song number 1. Song number 2. Oh my gosh. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? So, me, so, me. Someone stole it from your home. Ooh, it's tricky. So, me. Are you following along? Okay, so the next one is Bobby Shafto. Bobby Shafto's gone to sea. Go. So, silver buckles on his knee. So, me. Sailed his ship to Italy. So, me. Lucky Bobby Shafto. So, me. How'd you do? Okay, that was song number 3. Remember I said 7. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. It only has one law. Watch this. Rain, rain, go away. Sing it back. Sorry, so sorry. Watch this one. Come again another day. Did you get it? So sorry, lost so sorry. It's getting too easy. Naughty kitty cat. Your turn. So. My turn. You are very fat. My turn. You have butter on your whiskers, naughty kitty cat, scat. The other two phrases have other notes in them, so we're not going to worry about them now. And the favorite game. We are dancing in the forest, so sorry. For the wolf is far away, so sorry. Who knows what will happen to us, so sorry. If he finds us at our play, so sorry. That one had a bunch of in it. Last song. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold. I'm sorry. Peas porridge is only so's and me's. Oh my goodness, silly Miss Vane. So you don't even have to worry about that one. Your job is to sing one of those songs back to me with the so's, la's, and me's. So you can do Rain, Rain, Naughty Kitty Cat, just the first part, The Wolf Game, Bobby Shafto, Doggy Doggy, or Bell Horses. It's only 6, not 7. Okay? Sing one of them back to me using your new hand signs.